Spotify's Jam Session feature allows friends and family to listen to music together in real time, regardless of their location, and here is how to set it up. Firstly, before starting any process, ensure you have the latest version of Spotify installed, updated via App Store or Google Play Store, and in the desktop, the app updates automatically or you can manually update via the menu. So, once you have done it, open the Spotify app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. After that, you can find device bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. Then tap start a jam. You will be able to host a jam if you are a premium subscriber. Spotify free users can still join jams, but they won't see the start a jam button or be able to host a jam. Now tap on the share link. Share the link with a friend or use one of the other methods, like choosing whether you are listening remotely or in person. Then just simply tap join and tap got it. That's it. You can now choose and listen to songs together. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.